Alright, hi, I'm Jade Sneed, and this is our final lab, Lab 11, our solar lab. And what I decided what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the solar water heater, and I couldn't really find anything online that I really liked or anything that was very simple. I didn't look very long, but I decided I was just going to do something that I came up in my own mind. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and just kind of outline this, and I'll show bits and pieces of what I'll do after this. Is I'm going to take this box and I'm going to cut the top little flaps off, and I'm going to paint it black. And then after I paint it black, what I'm going to do is I'm going to line the inside with aluminum foil, and then after I line the inside, what I plan to do is I'll take a bowl or a cup whenever I'm ready to do the lab later, and I'll put it in there, and then I'm going to take some plastic wrap and I'm going to lay it over the top. And what I'm guessing is going to happen is because the black attracts the heat, and I'm hoping the aluminum foil will kind of reflect the heat onto the bowl, and because I'm going to have the plastic wrap on the top, it can have direct sunlight that's going to be hitting it, so I'm hoping that'll give me enough heat to warm up the water a substantial amount. So I'm just going to show you some different bits and pieces of me working on this. So first, I guess I'll just show you me cutting the flaps off. And I'm using a knife because all of my scissors are in my dorm and I didn't bring them home. Got all 4 of the flaps off. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint it black, and I'll probably check back in after I get it most of the way painted, and then I'll show you my progress from there. So yeah, I'll be right back with this video. So see you in a bit. Okay, so I just finished painting the box and it's just about dry. I painted it on all of its sides, and I even painted it on the inside a little bit. Not as well, but that's because it's going to be covered. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this heavy-duty aluminum foil and I'm going to line the inside. So, I'm just going to... Anyways, I may end up adding some more tape, but this is what it looks like on the inside. Very smooth, and I didn't tear it any, so yeah, I may just put the water straight in there. So last what I'm going to do, and this you'll be able to see tomorrow, so I'll probably won't get this on video because it's probably going to take me a while, but I'm going to take this plastic wrap and I'm going to add it as like a covering over the top, so then like you can't like get into it unless you like pull the plastic wrap back and everything like that. So I'm gonna get that ready for tomorrow, and then if it's sunny outside tomorrow, I will do the rest of this lab, and I will have it recorded. So thanks for watching so far, and I will see you in the next section of the video. Bye! Okay, so I just finished getting the initial temperature of the water, and there's my notebook over here, and the current time is 2:11. So in 15 minutes I'm going to check and see the temperature. I'm going to check the temperature every 15 minutes, and I'm going to come out here into the sunlight and show you my contraption. If I can aim the camera, I think you can see it, yeah. But it's the black box, and you can see the tin foil, and I've got the plastic wrap over it, and right now it's kind of has some condensation over it. It's already warm to the touch whenever I touch it, so hopefully that means good things. So I'll probably do another video at about the 15-minute mark and give an update on the temperature. And so I will see you then. Alright, it is 2:26 and 2:26, yeah, 2:26, and we are going to measure this for the first time. I'm going to set my camera over here for just a minute so I can continue talking while I measure this. So I've got my thermometer here, and the box itself is warm. So we've gone from 64 degrees to 72 degrees. So now we're going to wait another 15 minutes, and we're going to see how it's doing then. Alright, so I'm going to check back in 15 minutes. Alright, so it's been another 15 minutes, and I'm coming over here to measure my water again and see what the temperature is now, and see if it's gone up substantially. Let's see, the last it was 72, so we're going to see. So it hasn't warmed up any since 15 minutes ago. It's still at 72 degrees, so we'll see what happens after we let another 15 minutes go by, so I'll check back in 15 minutes. See you then. Alright, we're at the 45-minute mark. Hopefully we have some change in temperature. Last time it didn't change much, but we're gonna see, and hopefully it is risen since then. This is what it looks like now, if you can see. But I'm going to set this down, measure the temperature, and hopefully we have a change, and the time is 2:56 right now. Alright, looks like it's still at 72. I'm actually going to move it because the sun has moved a little bit, and I'm going to set it right here and see if getting moving it into more direct sunlight might help. And I'll be back in another 15 minutes to do the final check. And it did heat up the water a little bit so far, but it didn't heat it up as much as I was expecting. Hopefully we can at least get it to 80 degrees, so in this last 15 minutes, let's hope for that. And so I will see you in 15 more minutes. Alright, it's 3:11, and so it's the final temperature check. As I came over here, I noticed the wind was blowing the plastic wrap up a little bit, and I think some of the wind got underneath that, so that's probably going to affect the temperature of the water. But anyways, we're just going to check the temperature and see where it's at now. Okay, well, it looks like it stayed at 72 degrees, so, and I can verify by touch it has warmed up a little bit, at least from whenever I first put it in there. So there was a definite temperature change. So it changed from the first 15 minutes, but then after that it didn't really change. And I think part of that might have been because of the wind, because the wind picked up a little bit the further it went on. And then the sun kind of changed directions. So yeah, anyways, that's my lab. And that was my last lab. So thanks for watching all my labs.